washed all across Tibet.
We were not allowed to use microphone.
As a
Just
witness.
only this small phone is allowed to use by the authority.
3 generations of non-violent resistance was answered with brutal force and suppression. Today, amid a global pandemic, China is feeling the pressure from all sides. Let's mark this 10 March as a day of protest for freedom, democracy and human rights all across China. Today we gather in solidarity not only for Tibet, but also with the Uyghurs, Inner Mongolians, Chinese dissidents and the people of Hong Kong and Taiwan. We have seen that the Chinese Communist Party is not only a menace to its own community and the people living under its own rule. China's influence is wide and crosses its own borders. The current situation in Myanmar is yet another example of how Beijing is contributing to oppression, aggression and violence. Therefore, we need to stand united. Dear friends, remember, you don't stand alone. You have allies all across the world. Bod Gyalo, free Tibet, free China. Thank you.
Yeah. Halna, thank you very much for being here and expressing your feeling for Tibetan. Actually, the Tibetan causes on the basis of truth, in that you were supporting the truth. So thank you very much. On behalf of all Tibetan in Belgium, I would like to thank you, and I would like to offer you a scarf that symbolizes that we are very thankful. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I hope your support will remain same. We will stay every day. Thank you, God. Thank you. Ja, kierusz to. Ale no, ładnie to. Ładnie, ładnie to. Ja. Şu, la. Kaçta? Böyle gel o. Gel de gitsin böyle. Hello. Toma del ya da Daud gemis kemari Daud gana şungi hani şunzo dünya ngazı Belgium ne de pimisi biri jiwonamde yongi tsachune hani gana şung ya ngogaji yes Oh, this is a really nice setup. China's national flag fall down. Officer, look there. The national flag of China has fallen down. Fallen down. Just take a movie. Take a picture, take a photo. National flag is falling down from the Embassy of China in Belgium. This is a great day. This is a great day. It is a great day that your flag is falling down. No one is touching your flag. No one is touching your flag. No one fall down your flag. Your flag is fucking falling down. But naturally, your flag is falling down. Your flag is falling down. A shame. This is a natural indicator. This is a natural indicator. This is karma. Instant karma of China.
The God is pleasing.
Oh! This is a really beautiful day for us. We are in front of your office
your embassy, and we'll see the day that we are looking for. We'll see the day that we are looking for. Your flag is falling down. Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Belgium, Demi Shungzab Dulia, Belgium Buri Manyam Shore, Digavia, Tata, Dingy Sambusia, Demi Shungzab, Kay, Gana, Geda Dimata, Tabasa, naturally holding your ballot, holding your ballot, big, big. Shab, again, you are trying to pull it up. It will fall down. This is a great, fantastic day for us. Free Tibet! 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 China lies! China lies! China lies! China lies!
나 쓰네. 난 집에 쉬다. 야, 걔 약속. 나는 근데 고무실 때다. 고무실 깨다.